7 of the bombers were used in Operation Midnight Hammer, Missouri to Iran to drop precision-guided munition, reduce infrared, radar, and acoustic signatures. But the flying wing's success ultimately hinges on human performance. Person crew diet is carefully considered and see what wakes them up and helps them sleep. Reuters spoke with one retired B-2 pilot who said his go-to is a small area behind the seats, where pilots can lie down nautical miles on a full tank. Most missions require multiple aspects of these missions. Refueling is done blind. Pilots can't see the boom extending from a tanker full of gas attached